So guys, now we go to the next booth and let me have a look. So guys, come with me. Ta-da! It's so crowded. Yeah, and I want you guys to know this year we open our exhibition in the Shenzhen, the World Exhibition and Convention Center. Yeah, that's really nice. Hello, it's really hard. Yeah, it's really hard to find your booth because our exhibition is so popular and so crowded. And I see your booth is also popular.
Yeah.
That's really nice. And now may I ask you briefly introduce yourself and your amazing company for our online audience?
Sure. Hi, this is Lily from Chipshow. We are a LED display manufacturer for 24 years. We've been in this LED industry for long since 2000. Chipshow Optics. We have a factory in Huizhou.
Oh.
Yeah, and we have a big office in Shenzhen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys are based in Shenzhen and Huizhou.
The sales departments and production design in Shenzhen, and the factory is located in Huizhou, 1 hour away. Yeah.
Wow. It's also close. So if you
Sure.
come to here, you can also visit their factory if you make a big deal, right? Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. So now.
Welcome to our factory.
Yeah. So now, may I ask you introduce your guys the good product one by one for us?
Sure.
Yes, that's
Thanks.
really nice.
Give us a chance.
Oh, thank you so much. So the first product is the first one.
Let's go
This way, right? Yeah, you can lead us. Yeah, you can lead us. Yeah, that's really cool. It's like a fashionable booth and it's also really big. So the first one is on the top.
Yeah. This is,
Wow.
yeah.
Oh, it's for outdoor. That's so cool.
Yeah. This is our C Smart 5mm.
You can stand in here.
Yeah.
And, okay.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's easier.
Yeah.
This is our C Smart series. It's we have the pixel pitch. We have P5, 6, and 10, 16. The panel size is camera. Okay. The panel size is 640 by 320. The cabinet is light. It's only 11 pound. The cabinet weight of the cabinet is only 11 pound. It's front service. Very popular in Western countries, such as
because make like the 90 degrees, right?
Usually, this is for the show. We make it for 90 degrees, but usually, yeah.
So it can change like the different degrees, right?
Sure.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's so cool. And actually, that one can for outdoor, right?
Yes,
so
for
that
outdoor.
One can for the buildings, like.
Yeah. It's
or just for event.
For building, in front of the building, it's front service for outdoor. Yeah, for
that's
outdoor.
Really cool. Okay, so
it's very easy to install because the cabinet is very light and even one or two types of install.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Those panels are usually for the small size LED sign, for outdoor fixed installation.
Okay,
yes.
That's really nice and convenient, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and we also have a warehouse in America and the other one in Holland. Yeah, it's easy to for faster delivery in the countries, in the local country.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
So the next product is.
Yeah, and one more. I want to introduce one more features of this product. And we have the certificate for this one. ETL and the label. There is a label on the label on the cabinet because in some countries the certificates are required for the local distributors to install the LED sign. So this one is the best choice.
Yeah, of course, no adult.
Yeah.
So actually, that one is like for that one is another product.
Yeah, this is another one, another
Oh.
outdoor product. Yeah, for outdoor installation too. This one is for bigger sign, big
got
LED
it.
billboard.
Can be
Yeah.
small, I can. Also
Yeah.
can be big. Yeah.
Yes.
It depends on our clients' needs.
Yes,
that's
if
really
they
nice.
want the LED panel to build the bigger sign, this one is the best choice. If they want the LED sign for the smaller size, that one is very convenient.
So
yeah.
so that one is also for the outdoor, right?
Yeah, those are for outdoor, and this one is for outdoor LED sign as well.
Oh.
Yeah. Most of all, we are very professional in outdoor fixed installation LED sign. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. So
Yeah, well,
we come to your booth or show the modules, right?
Yeah, that's better. We can show
Yeah.
you the module.
That's really nice. So guys,
you
come
help?
to their booth. They
Come here to
can,
help.
Introduce more for you, and you can see module in front of the product. Yeah,
Sure.
that's very convenient.
陳宇浩，過嚟幫個忙啊
Let's start it.
！Yeah, it's better to.
Oh, a little bit.
I would like to recommend this one because we have sold a big quantity for this LED sign. See, it's very light.
popular.
You see, I can hold it very easily. And you see the cables are so different from others. The cables is easy to connect. This is the 2-in-1 cable. Yeah, the power supply and the cat cable together. For maintenance, it's very easy too. This is the power box. You can take off the power box if something wrong with. But this one is very good quality. We have sold good quantity and very little. The after sales service is most of the time there is no after sales service for this one.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah, and this is the lock. Those are locks, and we turn the lock.
I think
I
the
don't
bike
think-
design is very simple because I
Yeah.
saw the traditional the module. They are
Yeah.
very complicated behind a bike.
Yes, this one is very different from other panels. Yeah, from
It's
other
very
panels.
cycle.
Yeah.
And easy to learn how to control it.
I think the time is tight, so I don't spend more time on it. I will show you
Okay.
other popular items.
That's really nice because we also see the flexible screen here, which is really big, right? So the next one is is that one. It's really eye-catching.
Can we go there to see the details?
Yeah,
Let's go.
So let's go. So in here, oh my God, it's like a wave, and for real, even I search close to it, I won't feel heat, and my eyes feel comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is for rental products. Yeah.
Yeah.
For rental items, it can be flat or curved according to the specific requirements for the events.
Yeah.
And the refresh rate is high, can be high if the client has the special requirements. And those LED screens are made of two kinds of cabinets because the shape is so special.
Yeah, of course.
And we can go to the behind of the sign to see the cabinet because the cabinet is not the same, not one kind of cabinet. There are two kinds of cabinet to make this shape.
Okay.
So let's go behind.
Go to the bike or behind. Wow, it's really flexible, like the real wave in here. Okay, here we go.
Here, let's see. The one kind of cabinet in the middle is 5 by 500 size, and the curved part you can see the size is the same, but the cabinet is not the same. It's a very new design and to make the special shape. Yeah, but two kinds of cabinets are compatible to make one sign, one screen. Yeah. Those two cabinets are very special So if you have interest to make a LED screen like this shape, you can contact us.
Yeah, come to Chips booth and
Yeah.
just visit and to enjoy and explore more by yourself, right? Yeah, that's really nice. It's like actually I think behind e-bike the design is also simple. Yeah, it's not complicated like the traditional one, but they can make such amazing shape and they can design whatever you want, the signs or the waves, what you want, right? It's very flexible, so it's really nice. Like they even can design the special shape for the different the event different need. That's really nice. They really think things from the client's view. Yeah, I think for the chips is like the customer is first, right? Quality is first, convenience is first, which is really cute. The company's values. That's really nice. Yeah. So do we have the product you want to introduce?
Sure.
Yeah, that's
Let's
really
follow
nice.
through the other items.
Yeah, go for this way. It's really nice. Oh, that one is very special. The bike is very special. Yeah.
It's so outstanding.
Yeah, true. Why have different color, the black one and the white one?
Yeah, there are two colors to choose. You can choose the black cabinet or the white cabinet. And the size is 960 and by next 160. And this is our new design in this year as well. And the light is the main difference is that the light is not the same with other fixed. This one is for fixed outdoor installation too. Yeah, for
because
outdoor.
I know Chips specialized for outdoor.
Yeah, we are professional. Chipshow is professional in outdoor LED display, and this one is another one of our outdoor LED display. And this you can see the cabinet here.
Yeah, so we can see the light effect.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
so here we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's very new and a special product for this year. Oh my god, guys!
Yes, you can see that the light the light is
very
so
bright.
is very
because
bright.
This is for outdoor, guys.
Yeah.
So the light is bright or not is very important.
Yeah, the lights, the light LED lamps are so bright. It's 14,000.
Yeah, 14,000.
Yeah, it's 14,000. And the brightness is 14,000. It's very high brightness LED sign, and the power consumption is lower. For this one, the one
The power is lower. That means like we have energy saving, right?
Yeah, you're so
really
smart.
Nice. Yes.
Yeah.
It's like you can use the product outdoor, and at the same time it have the energy saving, so you make your cost low. That's really nice
Yes.
for the business.
Sure.
Yeah.
And this one, there are more pixel pitches to choose. 6.67, P8, P10, and P16. Can you shoot the lamps?
Yeah.
Yeah, the lamps, you can see the lamps is not the same. There are three, one, two,
it's
three,
like
three lamps. Yeah, this,
orange.
yeah, integrated, capsulated, LED lamps.
Clearly.
Yeah, this is the lamps different from the other SMD lamps or DIP lamps for outdoor LED sign.
More delicate, actually.
Yes. That's the special feature of these LED lamps. So the which make the brightness higher than traditional LED sign.
Yeah, that's so special.
And this one, you can use it for LED sign, except this one feature. You can, this one can be applied to outdoor lighting project. Because it's very bright.
That's really like the light and shadow show.
Yeah,
That's
light
really
show.
cool.
Yeah.
Like you not only can use the product to show your advertisement or make your building special, but also you can use it for the light and shadow show. That's really cool. Yes, but you know, like they specialize for outdoor LED screen display. That means they really have a strong ability, because I know for outdoor they need waterproof, they need you have a more strong, more good quality. So they are really amazing and reliable, have a rich experience about the LED. Yes, about the LED business. That's really nice. So, guys, remember them. And if you want to know more about them, better come to the booth, okay? And their factory is very close, okay? It's like 1 hour, because I know the Huizhou to Shenzhen is around 1 hour. It's kind of close. So why not have a try? So that's all the product for this exhibition this year.
Do you have more time?
Okay,
Because
okay.
we take a lot of items here in the
Okay,
booth. At the
okay.
booth, yeah.
So let's have a look.
You see that one?
Oh, that one.
Curved one, yeah, it's for rental too.
Oh, it's
that-
different from
yeah,
the first one you show us.
yeah, this is for indoor.
Okay.
Yeah, for indoor.
Oh, that one can for indoor as well. Oh, indoor or outdoor together.
Yeah, but this one should
That's
be
really
outdoor, I
nice.
think. And this one you can see it's not. It's very light. It's much lighter than the
Lightweight and
traditional.
see-through
Yeah.
style.
Yeah, and you can see it's LED curtain, not the not one piece. You know.
Oh, I know, because I can see
how do you
behind
say?
e-bike is different from the
Yeah, from
that
the other
module
kind
which
of
you show me.
Mhm.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one is for this one widely applied to events.
Oh,
yeah, the
I
show,
see, the show.
the sing show.
Yeah, this like
the-
music festival
Yeah.
or some like the superstars
Sure.
event.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So is that one. The next one is
And we have this special one. This
oh
outdoor.
for outdoor Taiwan.
1.91. This one is 9.5.
Wow, it's very
Yeah,
smooth.
This is the kind of GOB LED display. Yeah. And this one is
Yeah, this one.
this is for outdoor. The pixel pitch is smaller, but it's for outdoor. Yeah, if you want to have interest in outdoor smaller pixel pitch, you can contact Chipshow. We are professional in outdoor LED display.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
really nice. That one is really cool.
Yes.
Yes, and for outdoor, I think it's can for some events advertisement,
Yes.
like to let people know. Okay, they're gonna have an event and from which company, which brand, and you can have that like the advertisement. Yeah, which is really nice. Can give the audience a good effect. That's really nice. So the next one is
Next one.
yeah.
Oh, this one is our next item.
Oh.
Side, you have to show the details. Yeah. This is the front service. Yeah.
Wow.
See, it's different from the traditional. The other kinds of the front access is different from the other cabinets. Oh, this is how it is different from other panels for front access service. It's easy for front access.
Yeah, to change it, move it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yes. Okay, we see. So the next one is
Next one.
Yeah.
I think we.
they really bring a lot of different. Yeah, that's really nice. They really show us a lot, like something new about this year. And now we come to the last question. Yeah, can you share the positive thought about our IICLE exhibition?
It's exciting to be here today. There are a lot of clients who visit our booth and have interest in our LED signs and LED screens.
Yeah, that's really
if you have
nice.
interest in our product, you can contact us.
Yeah.
Chipshow.com.
Yeah.
It's our website. And thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
you're
thank
so nice.
you so
You're so professional.
much. Yeah, and thank you for your professional and perfect and fluently introduction. That's really nice, and best wish for you guys. So you guys can make a lot of big deals from our exhibition today. Yeah, so See you next time. Yeah, thank
See
you
you.
so much.